What's up, guys? It's a girl Sasipa. So today I'm gonna show you, we are actually doing Sisters Day. Me and my sister, we are celebrating as So we are actually home alone, and then my father bought some burger for me, and my sister had her burger. Look at her. She's actually gonna eat it. So she's so excited because they didn't even cook. So they thought they would buy us something. So I said that if they buy me a burger, no French fries, please. So they did as I said actually. Because I don't like. So look at the burger. Look at it, guys. You better look at. It's nice.
And that is some yummy.
Subscribe if you like me. So people are like, I didn't show you my sister's bacon, so I'm gonna show you now. Let me just open it. It is the same as mine. Guys. You see? Sorry for not showing you all. No trouble.